This is Dickie's Room Tours, and today we're on Serenade of the Seas, and we're going to have a look around Stateroom 1020 at the forward part of the ship. Stateroom 1020 is a balcony stateroom, and upon entering, to your immediate right is the double-doored closet. On your left is the standard Royal Caribbean washroom with a tube shower commode and adequate space for your toiletries. There is a full-length mirror here, cute little double couch, and there are 6 drawers for all of your stuff. That is where the fridge is, and the safe is up here in this cabinet. Very comfortable bed, side tables. There is an adjoining room door in this room, as well as bunk beds. Let's have a look outside. Balcony. We are currently en route to Fort Lauderdale from St. Martin. Please note, this room does not have privacy on the balcony. It can be seen from here and above. Let's take one last look at the room. Stateroom 1020 on Serenade of the Seas. Happy travels, everyone.